Professor Ford here. Have you ever had your RTD bottle leak when you turned it on? Very frustrating. Let me show you how to eliminate that. First of all, shut your water off. Disconnect it. And then using a towel, grab the coupling here and turn both directions. Remove the connection, and inside you'll see a washer. Simply reseat it, twist it, make sure you get it snug, and then reconnect. This should eliminate the water leak. Sometimes you'll get a leak at this connection, and occasionally you'll need to replace the washer inside. You can purchase these at your local hardware store for about 25 cents. Reseat it, twist it tight, and that should eliminate your water leaks.